can I apply if my stepchild is abusive towards me? So if you have a U.S. citizen stepchild, can you qualify for VAWA? Right? So what does VAWA require? So VAWA, if you're doing a parent-based VAWA, requires that you have a U.S. citizen child who is 21 or over, and yes, a stepchild will count if you've lived with them for a certain amount of time before they turn 14. I believe I can confirm that, but a stepchild does qualify as a child for you to apply for a VAWA. So if your stepchild is abusive towards you, emotionally, physically, if they're rude towards you, you live with them for a certain amount of time, and the abuse can be emotional, it can be financial, it can be psychological, right? There's many different types of abuse. Sometimes there's physical, but it's not required for VAWA. If all of that is present, then you can certainly apply for VAWA, even if it is a stepchild. So there are certain requirements to have that stepchild qualify as your child. So the marriage has had to occur at a certain point. So if it's a new marriage and they're over 21, you may not be able to use your stepchild to qualify. You may be able to apply for something else like a U visa or a T visa, right? Depending on the facts that are involved. However, if you want to apply for VAWA based on a stepchild, the child has to be 21 or over at this point. The abuse has to have occurred. You've had to have lived with that child, and the marriage to their biological parent needs to have occurred, I think it's before the child is 14. But give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can